Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and this video is about this 2013 Volkswagen Golf GTI that came in with an inoperable factory Volkswagen radio. Now, the customer wanted us to diagnose the factory radio as well as the factory amp because this vehicle is equipped with the upgraded audio system, which we did. And we came to the likely conclusion that the factory radio was faulty, which is quite common in this generation of Volkswagen vehicles. So I'm just gonna hop in and go through what we did to fix the issue. So, as you'll see, this is not the factory Volkswagen radio. That is right there. This is a Kenwood DMX7706S, which we've made YouTube videos about before. This is a very common model from Kenwood. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's a digital media receiver, AM, FM, Bluetooth. A very great receiver to use in a case like this on these Volkswagens. But I just want to go through a couple of things. So this is the factory radio here. I'm just going to basically prop it up and show you guys. And when this vehicle came in, this particular radio was not turning on at all. The complaint from the customer was it would reset. It wouldn't turn on for days at a time. When it would turn on, it would pop, it would click, it would make noise, and then it would randomly reboot and just not work for days. So the customer got tired of driving this vehicle without a radio, and that's why he came to us. He wanted us to try and fix this Volkswagen radio, but in reality, number one, we can't fix this radio ourselves because we're not electrical diagnosis or electronic repair providers. We are installers here at Lockdown, and the cost to fix this from an electronic repair standpoint or to replace it with a factory Volkswagen radio are pretty much more or essentially the same as changing it to an upgraded radio with today's technology. So let me just put this Volkswagen radio down on the floor. And I want to go through a couple of things. So right now, this radio is in demo mode. The parts that we used the Metro dash kit, we used a Metro antenna adapter, and an iData-Link Maestro RR, and the Maestro HRN RR VW1 harness. And why I'm bringing that up is that this has some cool features in terms of its integration with the Volkswagen vehicle. So the first one, climate control readout. So if I hit the fan, you'll see on the Kenwood display, it shows. If I change the setting, you'll see it changes there. If I go to max, you'll see it confirms. And then if I change the temperature, you'll see it goes up in Celsius. Now, because we're in Canada, I changed that setting to Celsius, but for all you Fahrenheit temperature users or US clients, you can have this display in Fahrenheit as well. Let me go over to the other cool feature of the Maestro RR, which is the gauges. These are user selectable, so this is the default layout. You'll see it's got the tachometer in the center, it's got load reading, it's got fuel consumption, intake temperature, and then your speedometer. You can change all of this, and there is a P1 and a P2. So you'll see basically P2, you can lay out different gauges there. And then the other thing that you can do with this Maestro is you can go vehicle info, and you're gonna see this vehicle doesn't have a tire pressure monitoring system, but it does show the battery voltage. If there was a check engine light, it would show it right there. And if I open the door, you'll see it shows the door open on the driver's side. If I happen to do the passenger side, you'll see it does the passenger side. And if I did the back doors, it would show the back doors as well. Now, if the vehicle, like I said, had a check engine light, you could clear it. Also, if the vehicle had an SRS airbag light, you can clear it through here too. And I just want to show one other feature here. Oh, which is here. So using the Maestro RR, you get to have this instrument cluster readout preserved. So you'll see that if I go to the radio, you'll see I'm on 92.5. Love Me More is the song that's playing in the background. And there you go, it shows the same information there. I don't know if it's gonna show volume. Yeah, it shows volume. So just for YouTube copyright reasons, I can't turn that up. Also, steering wheel controls, fully integrated as well. So pretty much just like factory, in fact, better than factory, because like I said, this radio has Android Auto and CarPlay. Much better audio performance with regards to the signal coming from this to the factory amplifier. It looks OEM, and it fixes the problem of these broken Volkswagen radios and brings you up to today's technology. This is a fantastic vehicle. It's a 2013, so it's a little bit older, but now it's even more fantastic because it's got today's technology. If you or someone you know is interested in fixing your Volkswagen because it's got a bad radio, or you're looking for an upgrade in your audio system, feel free to give us a shout. 647-439-4485, 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, and www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks for watching.